Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the running copyright skin problem on Facebook. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on apps option and tap on search bar, search for Facebook. Then tap on Facebook app. Again tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back to home screen. Tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First calendar, second call logs, camera, contacts, location. Okay, back and another microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photo, send videos, allow all permission, complete. Okay, back to home screen and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. Then click on restart option. Now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen. Go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for Facebook. Tap on Facebook app and now check update your Facebook app. My Facebook app updated showing and tap on update option and now complete your update Facebook app and back to home screen and open your Facebook app and you can see your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.